Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to make a Bing image creator account. Let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is type in your search bar Bing image generator, and the first thing you'll get over here is www.bing.com create. So we're going to tap on that. From here, you can see that it's given you a couple examples on the right-hand side, and over here in the main part, it says describe what you'd like to create, and then there's a join and create. Now, once you tap on join and create, you can see here that there are a few options. You can sign in with a personal account, or you can sign in with a work or school account. We're going to go ahead and sign in with a personal account. And right from here, you are wanting to put in your email address. So we're going to go ahead now and enter that email address, and we're going to tap on next. Of course, if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and say create new account. You're going to now enter your password, and then you can select if you want to stay signed in or not. We are now in, and as you can see over here, the page is still loading, and now we can actually enter a command. So you can go ahead and enter whatever command it is that you'd like, and you can see over here what they've done is they've given you some examples, and you can actually use this, and you can just paste it in over there. You can see now that it says your images are currently in progress, and you can go ahead now and start creating images with Bing's AI image generator. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.